This amazing Birchwood with Media floor plan from First Texas Homes in the woods of Red Oak Community in Red Oak, Texas, is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 baths, 2-car garage floor plan that offers 3,321 square feet of luxury to suit your family's needs. This eye-catching 2-story home plan features brick and stone masonry and a covered front porch that offers amazing curb appeal. As you pass through the beautiful custom 8-foot door into the foyer of this Birchwood floor plan, you'll find custom-framed openings, high ceilings, and engineered wood floors throughout. Right off the foyer is an elegant formal dining room with high ceiling, crown molding, and beautiful bay windows looking out onto the front yard, perfect for entertaining on special family occasions. Pass through the 15-light French door into the private study with unique lighting, crown molding, and wainscoting panels, making this a perfect home office. Also, adjacent from the private study, you will find a full powder bath with shower and custom tile. Tucked away is the media room with high ceiling, unique lighting, surround sound wiring, built-in storage, and savant automation, perfect for family entertaining. The California kitchen features a huge island with granite countertops, decorative backsplash, built-in stainless steel appliances, including stainless steel double oven and microwave, a flat surface cooktop with wooden hood vent, and butler's pantry. The adjacent breakfast nook is bathed in natural light and flows seamlessly into the family room, where you'll find a beautiful spiral staircase, marvelous high ceilings, large beautiful windows, and a floor-to-ceiling quartile fireplace with wood mantel. The private master suite features a tray ceiling with crown molding and unique lighting, beautiful bay windows, and a cozy reading area. The master bath features a split vanity with makeup area, a deep, relaxing jetted garden tub, and an extended walk-in shower with custom tiles. Upstairs, you'll find a game room with pre-surround sound wiring and plenty of space for the kids to relax, study, or hang out with friends. 3 additional secondary bedrooms with vaulted ceilings, spacious closet space, a conjoining bathroom, and another full bath complete the second floor. The Birchwood floor plan also includes a Texas-sized covered patio and a huge backyard with plenty of room for entertaining family and friends. This magnificent Birchwood with Media floor plan is now available in the community of Woods of Red Oak in Red Oak, Texas. Call or visit First Texas Homes to find out more about building the Birchwood with Media floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes. When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.